a group of people got together to say, how can we keep these offenders from being repeat offenders? That discussion focused that some of these people were repeat offenders because they had addiction as the root of their criminal behavior. So a pilot program was created called Drug Court to address the addiction, with the idea that if we address the addiction, then these people would be compliant with the law. It proved to be successful, and this year we're going to be celebrating the 30th birthday of drug courts. And we're basically looking for folks who meet two categories. One, are they high need, meaning they're addicted, because if they're just an abuser and not an addict, that's not who we target. Two, they are likely to reoffend, meaning they are high risk. To highlight the differences, I don't sit at my bench. The participants are out in the gallery where the public would be seated. And I step down and I just talk to them. And we discuss how they did this past week. If you did well, I encourage them to continue to do well, and have found that when you have people in positions of authority saying, you know what, let me give you an attaboy because you did really, really well, they really respond well to that. But if they've not been compliant, then I got to gripe at them a little bit. That's part of the accountability. So we have a foundation that will maybe assist people with basic needs. Sometimes they need help with transportation. So we have a foundation that maybe will purchase a bus pass so that they can get to court, they can report to probation, they can go to their peer support group meetings, things like that. We couldn't provide that information, we couldn't provide those services or those funds were it not for a foundation that supports the needs of these programs.